Hello everyone. Oh, my microphone's gonna be really bad, but that's okay. It's me, Laurie Moon, and this is the final time I'm logging on to GetAmped2. They've still got the My Room glitch, which absolutely sucks, but they've fixed the server enough that you can now log into the game, which is nice. But yeah, I just wanted to do this video. There's nothing to show you. There's nothing to really talk about. There's nothing to say that I've already said in my other videos, but GetAmped2 closes in less than 24 hours. It will close at 1 a.m. tomorrow. So 21 hours? 19 hours? I can't math. 21 hours, I believe. Yeah. It's a ghost town. Let's look who's online. This guy is on my blacklist. I don't know who he is. Maybe he spammed or something at one point. My blacklist is massive, by the way. Oh, by the way, guys, I'll check Wild Ginger, rest in peace. Best GM. Look at this blacklist! 924 people! It's all because if anyone, the Kaiseren's there, if anyone joined one of my rooms and broke rules, no matter how small or like whatever they did, I'd blacklist them, because once you're blacklisted, you cannot join the room of someone who has you on the blacklist. I just blacklisted literally everyone who broke rules. And what day's Gooby's on there? Maybe it was I think it was a alt or a clone or something. Anyway, enough negativity. This is it. Here we are. The scores, look at this shit. I remember you, Light Lexus. Light Lexus used to be in Luna at one point as well. But if you look at the profile, like that can't be right? There's been some hacking going on. 416,000 in just Gat Team Deathmatch. Vioskjorn, what did he do? Look at that, Guardian. So this was, Linda farming or also hacking? Yeah, Linda farming, I think, and Rukia as well. Was #1 for quite a long period. Linda farming, like this is how you could tell if people Linda farmed, basically. You look at their Guardian rank. But check this out, guys. Oh my god! Luna became the #1 guild in GetAmped2 after many years. There was no ganging, well, I was gonna say there was no score farming, but there actually was a bit of score farming towards the end of Luna, because it was basically, we found out everyone was doing it. It wasn't against the rules. And so we were just like, fuck it, we'll do score farming as well. So there was a couple of us that did like Linda missions too. But we did it. We overtook Bloods. Take that, guys. Take that, Kaiseren. Where's Kaiseren? He's still the leader of Bloods, right? He's the leader of Bloods in the end, right? He is, right? Did he leave? Is that like his farewell to the game? Like he's no longer... Holy crap, I should do that too! I'm gonna do that, guys! Luna, the guild in GetAmped2, which is the #1 guild. Oh my god! This is gonna fucking kill me, guys. Can I get into the guild room? I'm gonna do it. Oh my god. I'm gonna disband Luna. I mean, a bunch of us are still together on Discord, like, to get now... Luna is on Discord now. It's Moon's house. It's my Discord channel. Link in the description in all of my videos. Anyone can join. Oh, no! Can't enter the guild room. I wanted to disband the guild. I wanted to kick everyone out and leave the guild. Or, like, leave someone funny in charge of the guild or something. Damn it. Oh, well, that would have been exciting to see. But the My Rooms are glitched. The guild rooms are glitched. Go figure. Damn. Damn. I don't know what else to do. That's the main thing I wanted to do. I wanted to be like, Luna, in the end, became the #1 guild. And Luna was always the #1 guild in my heart, just because we were the most active, we were the most, like, we had guild events and stuff. Everyone knew everyone had such a personality, like, all these people, like maybe not all of them, but like a massive contingent of them. I pretty much know everyone here, but a bigger number of them, like I know exactly what their character's skin looks like. I know exactly what type of person they are. Yeah. Yeah. Cool, man. Luna was the #1 guild, and Laurie's blacklist was full to the brim. Spin Square. I've put a post in the Spin Square BB, and it's probably not the best farewell message. The game I played for the longest period of my life. There were great times and hard times, but it was all so fun and worth so much to me. Things could have been better. The game could have been operated so much better, even in the game's heyday. But here we are. I'm thankful for everything. If this is my definitive farewell message, it's pretty shit, but that's all I could think of at the top of my head. Yeah. I will die in GetAmped2 wearing my signature, my classic stripes. Blue and white stripes. I've got all these cool skins now, but I always went back to the skin. The hairstyle that I fluked somehow, if you look really carefully, you can still see where the shades of the original base are on the hairline. The secret case. A red ball accessory, a prime market accessory, severely underrated. When you play with the Night Gear class, you're so powerful. Fame winner, how lucky I was to get that as the inherited skill. Kept getting more score. Accessory design contest. I came 3rd place one year, and I won this title, and I had it for a full year. I remember the day that I lost it as well, and I was like, why couldn't I just keep it forever? Look at this. Luna 1 guild battle mode, 5 weeks. 1st place, 2nd place 3 times, 3 times 3rd place, 5 times 10th place. Never really got into the guild battle mode because so many people just like ganged and stuff, but it was fine, it was alright. Once you like didn't get super competitive with other people, it was alright. Oh, do I have enough Crescent for a draw? The final draw! The final draw in GetAmped2 US. Am I gonna go Mega? I have to go Mega. The Mega's so rubbish. This is the final draw of GetAmped2 US. This is really like quite sad, guys. There's no one here. In the end, it's just me and the draw. Here we go! Let's party! I kind of already said that one last time in GetAmped Animated episode 500. I recommend you guys go watch that. That's the true goodbye GetAmped2 in my books. Oh! That's not bad! That's really good. That's, what the fuck? What the fuck? Ah, that's the best! Am I gonna get a message? Did no message popped up? Fuck you, GetAmped2. That's the best accessory from the Mega Draw. Fuck you, as a red ball. I do not believe it. Why could I have not gotten this accessory like 5 years ago? You suck. I'm so... Isn't that just the best finale for GetAmped2, guys? It's the best one. It's the best red. It's like probably better than some of the yellows as well. You can disable people's attacks with this. Like they can't use any strong attacks or weak attacks. You can heal your teammates. Like if you just camp off on the side of the map, you can like keep injecting them with the sleep serum that like makes them fall asleep and gain HP, and you can get white HP. It's OP. And I got it in the last 24 hours of GetAmped2. Okay. Shit, guys. That's the end. That's the end of GetAmped2. That's the last draw video, the last me walking around and checking things. I wish I could have disbanded Luna. Like, kick everyone out. But, oh, I'm just... It's the end of an era. It really is. And all I can say is thank you so much, everyone, for watching my videos, for showing me love and supporting me, saying so many kind things over the years, becoming invested in the game as much as I have. I really hope, everyone, that you will continue to support me now as Kiwi in Japan, with real life vlogs and me getting up to all sorts of crazy stuff here in Japan, living the life that I didn't always dream it, but it's pretty awesome. Like, I've always really liked Japan and Japanese culture, and here I am living now. So yeah, please check out my other videos. I guess I should plug GetAmped2 Evolution. It's a private server of GetAmped2, which is being operated by previous players of GetAmped2 France. But GetAmped2 Evolution will be an international server. It's being run by, as I just said, a team of developers from GetAmped2 France. They want to make it an international server. There's going to be like accessories available from the Prime market that will cost win. Like, they're going to change everything up completely. So it's going to be like things are going to be more accessible to the average player, I guess. Yeah. Definitely go check that out. Discord link will be in the video description and maybe in the comments as well. I'm thinking now I'm gonna go to the Mora Shrine and spend all my coins. Even though I think I've got the top tier rewards. Do I? Or maybe it will be a great time to close the game off by me getting the red and black twin decks. I got everything but. I got everything. I got that, and I didn't get the twin decks. Oh well. Force remover, bloody hell. Okay, guys, I've been Laurie Moon. I have been Laurie Moon. I am now just Laurie. I am Kiwi in Japan on YouTube. It's hard to say goodbye. That's the name of a great song by a band called Washed Out. You should check it out. Yeah. Go watch all my other old GetAmped2 videos. Farewell, everyone. If you've played GetAmped2 in the past, just keep on keeping. Sayonara GetAmped2.